going to show you how to create a waterfall chart in the Excel app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on Insert, and here we have this icon, which is the waterfall chart icon. From here, we can just select one that we like, or that would be best for us. Let's say stock, and here we just have to select the data set, select this thing and this, but yeah, we have to have two sets of data to have these surface charts. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.